In Cloud ERP, the ERP software is installed on the server provided by the vendor. The vendor is responsible for installing, maintaining, upgrading, and securing the application and customer's data. The customer user accesses the ERP application through the internet. Evolution of Cloud ERP software. Despite the release of the first Cloud ERP solution in the late 90s, it failed to catch up till the middle of the current decade. In addition to the apparent benefits of Cloud ERP systems, significant drivers of cloud adoption includes legal changes. Earlier, many countries were not allowing their data to reside in other countries. With the confidence of top-of-line data security, governments are easing their legal restrictions, thus enabling customers to move their data to cloud. In-country location of data centers. Cloud-based ERP vendors bring data centers nearer to the customer location. Reduction in hardware costs. As the hardware costs have fallen over the years, Cloud ERP system has become less expensive. Proven, multi-layered data security. The top Cloud ERP vendors offer robust and multi-layered data security, adopting new technologies like AI and ML. Many niche applications on the cloud use the latest technologies. They integrate easily with cloud-based ERP systems. There is no need to build expensive interfaces to benefit from these applications. What are the benefits of Cloud ERP software? Multi-layered data security. Quick implementations. Converting capital expenditure to operational expenditure. Cost reduction. Access to new technologies. Scalability. Availability and reliability. Challenges of Cloud ERP. Resistance to change. Moving to cloud will see the IT team losing control of ERP. This may lead to resistance to the transition. Downsizing of IT team. The fear of downsizing is another reason for resistance to change. Regular upgrades could disrupt your operations. This is especially so if you have many third-party integrations. Regular upgrades of your application that add features you don't require could lead to reconfiguring your integrations regularly. Need for extensive testing. Lack of standardization. Cloud ERP is feature-rich, which means it could offer many different ways of doing the same activity. Loss of control. In the on-premises world, you are the owner of your data. This is not so in the cloud world. Once you are locked into ERP, you lose control over your data. A large company with years of experience in legacy on-premise ERP may find the transition to Cloud ERP challenging. The change will be challenging if your existing ERP is heavily customized with many outdated customizations. Cloud ERP implementation. Have you decided to run ERP on a cloud? Congratulations on that. Before you start, however, take the time to understand what the implementation process entails. Make sure you have the recipe for success. It includes: set the purpose. Write down the scope of your ERP project. Choose the project manager. Training. Total involvement of the project owner. Future Cloud ERP trends. How ERP industry is evolving. ERP is now easier to integrate with Internet of Things devices, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Modern solutions include these capabilities to ensure the user does not incur the cost of adding them. ERP platforms are now easier to customize to meet business needs as they do not use a lot of coding. We can now uncover what might happen to a business in the future with the predictive analysis trend. Lastly, ERP providers are starting to offer mobile support via dedicated apps. We expect to see more apps as we trend into the future. This will support remote workers executing their jobs via their mobile gadgets. Future of Cloud ERP. In the future, ERP vendors will alter their products to meet the technology needs of modern organizations. We might see less coding and more APIs and extensibility tools at work. ERP users also use Slack, Zoom, social media platforms, and other applications. Vendors will continue to make their solutions easier to integrate with other productivity tools. The future of Cloud ERP complements Industry 4.0 initiatives to drive up organization productivity. The end of Cloud ERP will rely on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real-time data. We specialize in custom-designed ERP systems for wholesale distribution operations. Particularly successful with electrical distributors, plumbing distributors, industrial distributors, HVAC distributors, electronic distributors, fasteners distributors, wine and liquor wholesalers and distributors, and consumer packaged goods. In short, we serve those niches in the wholesale distribution business. They are concerned about the costs associated with inaccurate inventory counts, unhappy with frequent paperwork, bottlenecks that slow down the fulfillment process, need for omni-channel user experience, or disappointed by the amount of time it takes to reconcile purchasing, invoicing, shipping records. We've been able to offer an ERP solution that helps our customers save time, attention, and money. It's scalable, reliable, and mobile-first cloud software. It has out-of-box ERP customization and integration options through APIs/microservices. We offer the fastest ERP implementation and payback in the industry. Average implementation is done in less than 90 days. ROI in less than 9 months. Above all, it's supported by wholesale distribution industry experts. We offer a competitive edge to wholesale distributors, and our solution does more and costs less. It's that simple.